Then follow the station process for exiting the station. In the app's main menu, you can select today's itinerary to view your entire itinerary and plan your route. Tap on any of the map markers to get more details about each stop. After you arrive at a customer's location, tap I've arrived. When you are making a delivery to the customer, scan each package in the order. If you run into any issues finding or accessing a customer's address, make sure you select the customer and tap the Help menu. Then tap the Call Customer option. The app will open the dialer. The bridge number and the PIN will be punched in automatically. Both these numbers are separated by a semicolon. Then tap Call to speak to the customer. If that doesn't work, you can always use the Help menu in the app to call support at any time. We expect you to make an effort to deliver all packages. If there is an instance where delivery is not possible, do not scan the package. Tap the Help menu and choose Unable to Deliver. Select the reason and add note if any. Then swipe to Finish to complete the delivery. Please note that you must call the customer before selecting Unable to Deliver in the app. Otherwise, the app will prompt you to call the customer before updating. You can only mark a package as undeliverable if the call is not answered or if the customer rejects the delivery. Once you have finished attempting all the packages assigned, you must return undelivered packages, your bag, the mobile payment device, and the cash collected to the original pickup location. Your eligibility for Amazon Flex will be affected if you fail to meet delivery service requirements. Once you have completed the handover, you are good to go, but feel free to check for more available blocks. Thanks for delivering with Amazon Flex.